Hey everyone, Seth coming to you from the KENWOOD Training Department. Today, we've got the new KENWOOD eXcelon DNX695S Navigation Multimedia Receiver. This features compatibility with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and KENWOOD's new WebLink. I'll show you what's inside of the box, then we'll go through some of the inputs and outputs on the backside of the radio, take a look at what the buttons do on the front, and then show you some of its cool new features. Let's take a look. Taking a look inside of the box, first you will see the wiring or power harness. Then you'll see the GPS antenna with GPS mounting pad. Next will be your two 3-foot USB extension cables. Then we'll have the Bluetooth microphone. Here's the KENWOOD warranty card, as the KENWOOD eXcelon DNX695S does include a 2-year warranty. Then we'll have the trim bezel for the included mounting cage. Comes with some receiver removal tools, as well as the mounting screws. Now, let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. In the upper left-hand corner will be the video output cable. Next will be the front view camera input or dashboard camera input for the optional DRV-N520. Then you'll have the rear view camera input. Below that will be the AM/FM antenna input. You can also use down below here the AV out for the audio. To the right of that will be the Bluetooth microphone input. Next to that will be the GPS antenna input. And below that will be your 3 sets of 5-volt gold RCA pre-outs. Rears at the top, fronts in the middle, and subwoofer at the bottom. On the right side will be your other connections for the optional DRV-N520 dash cam. Next to that will be the AV input for the optional CA-C3 AV cable. To the right of that will be your 2 USB inputs. Next to that and below will be the Maestro RR inputs. Next to that will be the SiriusXM tuner input for the optional SXV300. And to the left of that will be your wiring power harness input. Now let's power the receiver on and take a look at the front. In the upper right-hand corner is a remote sensor for the optional KENWOOD KNA-RC-DV331 remote control. You can also install the KENWOOD Remote S app to use your smartphone as a wireless remote control. To the left of that is the disc insert slot for a CD or DVD. To the left of that is a micro SD card slot. This can be used for music and video source playback, as well as for future Garmin navigation updates. To the left of that will be the home button. Pressing this will display the home screen. Pressing for 1 second or more will turn the power off, and while off, simply press to turn the power back to on. Below that are the volume up and down buttons. Below that is the navigation screen button. Press this to switch between the Garmin navigation screen and the current source screen. Below that is the pop-up menu screen. Pressing this button will give you access to convenient functions such as adjusting the screen, accessing the camera, setup, audio, and more. You'll also notice that this displays the eject icon. Pressing and holding this button will turn the attenuation of the volume on or off. Below that, the 4 boxes mirroring icon will display the app screen for CarPlay, Android Auto, or WebLink if connected. Pressing this switch each time will toggle between the current source and the app screen. Pressing and holding this button will display the voice recognition screen. One of the coolest new features of this receiver is KENWOOD WebLink. When you have a connected iOS or Android device, you can simply select the WebLink source and it will launch the WebLink suite of apps. You'll have access to cool content including YouTube, Media Player, which is the content stored on your phone, Yelp, and weather. For example, when we access Media Player, you will see a list of the music files stored on your phone. You can then touch the icon in the upper left-hand corner. This will then give you access to not only the music content, but also the video content that's stored on your phone. Pressing the 4 squares in the lower left-hand corner will return to the home screen of WebLink. We can press the home button here, and then you can also access Waze with touchscreen control. When you select the Waze icon, Waze will launch on your phone. As soon as your phone has launched Waze, you will then see it displayed on the touchscreen of the receiver. Then you'll have touchscreen control access to Waze navigation. Pressing the home button again will take you back to the home screen. With the built-in Garmin navigation, when you access the Garmin navigation, you will observe just how fast the performance really is. This is because we've incorporated a solid-state drive for the Garmin navigation. You also get access to cool apps, such as the KENWOOD Traffic Powered by Inrix app. This KENWOOD Traffic Powered by Inrix app allows you to see not only fuel prices, road weather, but you also get real-time traffic information. We pay for the first 2 years of service for this. After that, the current pricing is less than $2 per month. Let's go back to the home screen, and let's take a look at the dashboard camera. We currently have a DRV-N520 connected to this receiver. Let's press the menu button, and then the camera icon to access the dashboard camera. Now to access the dashboard camera functions, simply select the icon in the lower left-hand corner. Then you can access the dash cam settings. Here you can change the system settings. You can also change the driver support settings. Here, these driver safety features, such as forward collision warning and departure delay, can be turned on and off. You can also set up the detection range settings, adjusting the hood and horizon line, as well as the mounting height settings, controlling how far the dashboard camera is mounted from the ground. Again, the DRV-N520 giving you quick and easy access to review previously recorded events, all from the convenience of the touchscreen on your receiver. To learn more about some of the cool new features of the DNX695S, be sure to click on the links in our description below. And as always, thanks again for tuning in to the unboxing and feature highlights of the KENWOOD eXcelon DNX695S. We'll look forward to seeing you again next time.
KENWOOD.